Hi, my name is Morgan, and my major is veterinary technology, which is in the College of Veterinary Medicine.
And my name is Kelsey, and my major is athletic training, which is in the College of Health and Human Sciences.
This major prepares students on proper veterinary health care. It focuses on the nursing principles of normal and abnormal life processes, various laboratory and clinical procedures, imaging, dental hygiene, pre- and post-surgical patient care, and anesthesia.
Athletic training is a program that prepares students to be entry-level athletic trainers and to pass the BOC exam. There is extensive curriculum and clinical experience offered. Students begin as pre-athletic training majors and then must apply for selection to the athletic training major after their first year. It is very competitive, and after the first 4 years, many students go on to pursue graduate or professional school.
In the veterinary technology major, students take courses that teach them the basis of veterinary technology, the anatomy of certain animals, animal behavior, animal dentistry, and students also perform clinical rotations, which gives them the experience of working in a veterinary hospital and treating animals.
This course teaches the anatomy and physiology of humans, contains many science-related courses, and includes instructional work in clinical settings.
Graduates of this major typically go on to work as a vet tech, which is veterinary nursing. They could be a surgical operating room technician, dental care for animals, or they could work with anesthesia.
Graduates of this major are certified athletic trainers. Some go on to graduate and professional school under the categories of physical therapy, occupational therapy, and physician's assistant.
Regarding the self-directed search, a proper Holland code for this major would definitely be SIE. They would need to have S as their strongest because veterinary technicians need to communicate with each other and everyone else in the hospital in order to get their tasks done. They need to have good social skills because the major requires discussion to solve problems. Also, people interested in this major must have an investigative side to them. The major requires a lot of problem solving, and veterinary technologists need to investigate to find the reason for an animal's illness. Lastly, a veterinary technician's Holland code should have an E in it, which stands for enterprising. This major requires people to take on a leadership role. They are self-confident and sociable. They work with great effort to help the animals that are in need.
According to the Holland Self-Directed Search, SRE would be the proper code for an athletic trainer. They need to be social to work with patients in a comforting and friendly manner. They also should be realistic, which means that they are straight to the point and tell their patients what they need to be doing in order to make a full recovery. And lastly, they need to have a strong leadership role, which falls under the category of enterprising.
The College of Veterinary Medicine's office is located in Lynn Hall, which is on 625 Harrison Street, West Lafayette, Indiana. Most courses and also the veterinary medicine library are located in Lynn Hall. Also, Purdue has the Veterinary Teaching Hospital, which serves as a referral facility for cases requiring advanced diagnostics or specialized care. It is a teaching facility with the purpose of educating veterinary students, postgraduate veterinarians, and veterinary technology students. It is divided into 3 parts, and it's a small animal hospital, large animal hospital, and the animal emergency service.
The College of Health and Human Sciences is located in Stone Hall, room 101 on State Street. Aside from the actual classroom settings, a lot of clinical practice takes place in the main training room, which is located in Mackey Arena.
The Veterinary Technology Plan of Study states Math 153 as its quantitative reasoning requirement, which covers basic algebra and trigonometry. Also, some science courses that are required are Bio 110, Chem 111, or Chem 115, and the rest are science selectives, mostly revolving around animal science. It requires English courses such as English 106 and Com 114. This major does not require a foreign language. And lastly, this major requires 6 credits of vet tech electives and then 5.5 credits of free electives.
Algebra and trigonometry 1 or 2 are required for quantitative reasoning from the university core. Also, some science courses include Bio 203 and 204 and Physiology 120. You must complete 12 credits in clinical practice with a C- or better. Some of these courses include prevention and treatment of athletic injuries, athletic training modalities, and therapeutic exercises. You must have 6 credits from one language, and there are 16 to 22 credit options for electives.
The bachelor's in vet tech at Purdue is one of the most competitive, only 30 spots a year. To COTO into vet tech, the high school application process applies.
In order to be in the athletic training program, you have to COTO into the pre-athletic training program first. These requirements include a minimum of 12 hours, 1 semester, and a minimum GPA of 2.25.
These majors are similar because they are both science-related and within the medical field. They both involve social interactions and helping others. They both require courses such as Math 153, Com 114, and Chem 110. Both of these majors are extremely competitive and involve an excessive amount of studying and an intense work.
The majors are different because one involves helping people and one involves helping animals. The courses differ because there are a lot more clinical practices in human anatomy and athletic training compared to veterinary technology. In veterinary technology, the courses mostly revolve around classes involving animal health.
An undecided student should choose veterinary technology because it's so interesting. You get to help others, and you get to communicate with others, and you get to help to save the lives of animals.
If you are an undecided student, you should choose athletic training because it is a very rewarding career. You get to meet lots of new people and get the satisfaction of helping others every day.